Dad, happy birthday. Ito na yung sobrang pinaghandaan natin. Lalo na ikaw, hinabol mo yung lahat ng construction dito. And happy 36th anniversary, Mom and Dad. So, we are so blessed na to be called your children. And i-enjoy nyo lang, as always, yung buong buhay nyo, travel, and thank you for always guiding us in everything, in life and in business. Yon. I love you!
Happy birthday. And I know ito yung pinakamasayang birthday mo, 60th birthday. And nakakatuwa, ang daming bisita, ano. And naalala ko lang nung nasa kids pa tayo, actually ang dami nating nagawa. And up to now naman, nasa service pa rin tayo. I pray na tuloy-tuloy ito. And of course, marami ka pang matulungan.
Yes.
And I pray to the Lord, palagi kang maging malakas, walang karamdaman upang tuloy-tuloy lang ang service. Happy 60th birthday!
Birthday, Dad. Saktong-sakto na yung vision mo na events place. Technically, birthday mo yung unang gagamit. Para ikaw yung buena mano. Pero more than that, thankful kami sa mga ginagawa mo sa family natin.
Arnel.
Hi! Happy birthday dito, Arnel!
Kuya Arnel,
Happy birthday!
happy birthday. Ikaw ay talagang blessing. Blessing sa amin, blessing sa maraming tao.
Happy 60th birthday, dual citizen. Welcome.
Happy 60th birthday. More birthdays pa dahil senior ka na. At maraming salamat at hindi niyo po kami pinapabayaan sa kahit anong aspeto. Lagi ka naming idol. Keep healthy and safe. Happy birthday ulit, Dad.